from SwissWatchExpo. If you're looking for the sort of minimalist, plain vanilla version of the Panerai Luminor Marina, this is it. It has the subsidiary seconds hand at 9 o'clock, which you'll see start moving as soon as I wind it a little bit. But it has really just the bare minimum of what you need in a watch. It has the hours and minutes and seconds. It has the Panerai patented crown guard and lever to hold the crown in, a high polished bezel, just the minimalist 1236 as far as the Arabic numbers go, 44mm case, and not much else. So this really is as simple and as much of a tool watch as you can possibly get. I love this one myself. It was my first Panerai and still holds a place in my heart.